Greetings. Today's project is Christmas themed. It's a Cobra, and this is one of my other weaves that I've did that I call Daydream. This one I call Christmas Dream. Alright, we have a 2-strand cord consisting of one strand at 15 inches long, or 38.1 centimeters. Melted together to make a loop, connected here to make it our core. It will be having a 5-inch reveal, which is from here to here. That's how much you see, mainly on your wrist. Paracord used is 4 mil and 2 mil, and this is 4 mil thick. Okay, using red and green. Both are 4 mil thick, melted together to form one loop. The red is 32 inches long, or 81.28 centimeters. The green is 36 inches long, 91.44 centimeters. The stitching going down is 2 mil, and it is a Japanese satin. It's 2 mil thick. They are both 24 inches long, 60.96 centimeters. You're going to need something to cut with, a pair of scissors, lighter, a presser. I use Marlin Spike. And I'll tell you what, let's do it. And we're going in through the side of the cow hitch. Okay, now from the right side, come up underneath, and whatever type of connector you're using, it's the same thing. You come up, and then you go down through the loop, and tighten it. Mirror image from the red side. Still come up from the bottom, and then down through the loop. This is very, very simple, and if you already know how to make a Cobra, then you can go toward the end where I do the stitching on it. But if you just want to watch, just watch anyway. Alright. Now, starting off, the green goes over the top. From the right side goes over. The red from the left goes over the green, underneath, up through the loop on the right side. Off tight, but doing it real tight because it'll be harder to stitch. Alright, now again, notice from the left side, green goes over, and red from the right side goes over, under, up through the loop on the left side. And again, it goes over, toward the right, green goes over, under, up through the loop on the left side. Now I will just, oops, wrong one. Should have warned me there. Green goes over, red goes over that, underneath, and up. If you see me screw up like that, throw a rock at me or something. Alright, now to speed up, we'll get to this.
Tie knots by the fireside, right tight and true. Paracord snowflakes twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined, gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Never recorded Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn, twisting and weaving till our cares are gone. Garlands wrapped around the tree so tall.
Okay, now at the end we do just like we did at the start. Come over here, come up, and then down to the loop. Come up, and then down to the loop. Yeah. And then from the bottom, come up right here, the size. And the green. Yeah. Now before we do that, okay, now some people when they do their strands they tie little knots in them and stuff like that. You can do that if you want to. I'm just melting it.
Twinkling just for you. Stockings hanging neatly on a paracord line. It's a cozy Christmas, a moment so divine. Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined, gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Never recorded Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn, twisting and weaving till our cares are gone. Garlands wrapped around a tree so tall. It's a paracord wonderland for one and all.
Alright, we're going to start with the red. We go over these two, and then come underneath, and then go back up, and right here, under again. So basically we're going over two, under one.
Paracord Christmas time, oh how it shines, with love and laughter, hearts entwined, gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Oh, never recorded Christmas, feeling just right. Feeling just right.
And then on here you can just go down. Now it's green. And we're going to go right down the same place we went to with the red. And it comes under. And kind of make sure it's in the right place.
Love and laughter, hearts entwined, gifts wrapped in colors, red, blue, and white. Never recorded Christmas, feeling just right. Singing with the family, old carols till dawn, twisting and weaving till our cares are gone. Garlands wrapped around a tree so tall. It's a paracord wonderland for one and all. Paracord Christmas time, oh Oh, how it shines with love and laughter.